Hello, my name is Beyond Dale, and welcome to the presentation about charting. Now, charting is important to you as an investor because everything reflected on a stock can be seen in the price of a particular stock. So, if we take a stock of Microsoft, for example, we can see what Microsoft has been doing over the last couple of years looking on a chart. Now, this presentation is not designed to let you be an expert in technical analysis, which is a study of charts, but some basic information about charting will assist you greatly in your investing. Now, what we have here is on the y-axis. Math in school, my math is coming in. I This is the y-axis, and on this axis you have your prices. So this is 30, 32, 34, 36. Let me clean it up. So on this axis here you have your chart, your prices of the particular stock or asset, and on the x-axis, which is this axis, you have your time. So this is June, April, February, October. This is 2013. March, May, July, August. This is your time and this is your price. So at any point in time, you can see what was the price of the particular stock at what particular time. Now, to read the chart, you can see what's happening in terms of which direction the chart is moving. Are we in what they call an uptrend, or are we in a downtrending environment? So as you can see, between 2011 and this is October 2013, this market has been in an uptrend because the market has been higher than this point in 2013. Now, how can we examine whether an asset is in an uptrend or a downtrend? Let me introduce you to the whiteboard. Okay. Now let me introduce you to the whiteboard. Okay, so on the whiteboard here, this is the definition of an uptrend. An uptrend is a series of higher highs and higher lows. So the markets don't generally just move up or straight down. What you will see is certain waves in the market. Okay, so you will see market may move up, then retrace. This move from here to here is a retracement, and we can label it. If this is A, this is B, this retracement is C, and then it will move back up to D. Then it may move down to E, and then it may move back up to F. So this series of higher highs and higher lows is what we call an uptrend. The market is generally in a series of higher highs and higher lows because this high at H is higher than F, and this low at G is higher than this low at E, and is higher than this low, which is higher than this low. So we're in a series of higher highs and higher lows. So that is the definition of a uptrend. Higher highs, higher lows. So if someone looks at you and says a stock is performing well, and you take a look at the chart and you don't see that it's in a series of higher highs, higher lows, then you know that they are not being completely honest. Okay, so A downtrend is a series of lower highs and lower lows. This is the definition of a downtrend. So A, B, market retraces to C, goes back down to D, retraces to E, goes down to F, and so on and so forth. This is a downtrend in the markets. So investing, and what I advocate is that investors invest in stocks or assets that are in uptrends and sell assets that are in downtrends. That will keep you out of a lot of trouble. So getting back to the chart here, let's take a look at the S&P 500. This is the daily chart of the S&P 500, and each bar is a particular day on this chart. So if I say it's a daily chart, each bar represents one day. So this is one day. This is what happened on this particular day. This is the 26th of August. The market was down on the 26th of August. On the 14th of October, the market was up on the 14th of October. So each bar represents one day on this time. If I say it's a weekly chart, each bar will represent 1 week. If I switch to a monthly chart, each bar will represent 1 month. So the length of the bar depends on the time frame. So if this is a daily chart, each bar represents 1 day, and so on and so forth. So this is a chart of the S&P 500, and we see this is a classic example of an uptrend, a series of higher highs, higher lows, and that is the definition of an uptrend. Higher highs, higher lows. Okay, so I hope this was just a brief introduction to what charting is and how to read a particular stock chart. And remember, the rule is, or what I advocate is, invest in, if you are buying an asset, it should be in an uptrend. Thank you very much for listening. Or if you are selling an asset, it should be in a downtrend.